Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the abstract class in a PHP programming language. The abstract class, which is mixed between an interface and the class. It can be defined functionality as well as interface. The class, which is extending an abstract class, must implement all of the abstract methods which is defined in the abstract class. The abstract class is declared the same way as the class within the additions of the abstract keyword. Here you can see that I just write abstract and then here I just write class. Now here I have to write the name of the class, which is dog or car, as you know. Here you can see that after that, if you are extending some of the attributes or some of the things in the class, so you have to write simply class name, which is the keyword right here. Then you have to write class name, and then here you have to use extend as the keyword. Okay, and then you have to write a new abstract. Let's suppose here I just write dog1. Okay, hope so you understand now that how you can use abstract class and what is the extension of the abstract class in the PHP programming language. In programming language, abstract type is a type in the nominative type systems that cannot be initiated directly. Okay, and this is means that a type this is not abstract which can be initiated, which is called a concrete type. Hope so you understand now that what is the abstract classes and the abstract right here. Okay, now just turn to the example of that. Here you can see that we have the abstract class here, where the abstract class here is dog. Now here I just use all of the functionalities right here, which is abstract, which is I just write public, and now here I'm just creating a function where I'm just writing the function name here is, let's suppose, a dog breed. Okay, close this code. Now here I have to write that this is abstract again, and the abstract here is the public, and the public here is the function here is the color of that. Okay, now here you will see that now the class of dog, and I just want to extend the class of dog to the dog one. Okay, now here you will see that I have to write public is a function right here, and the function here is I have to write breed. Okay, and then here the breed here is, you may say that will print the breed of the dog here is, this is German dog. Okay, now here you can see that I'm just extending this class with the help of this extend, and here with the breed I just create a new breed of the dog here, which is the German dog. Now here you will see that I have to write public. The public here is the function, and the function here is I have to write color. So what is the color of the dog? So here I have to write echo, and the echo is the color of the dog here is, let's suppose this is black color. Okay, now you can see that how you can extend these classes here with the help of abstract class. Okay, hope so you understand now. Now here you will see that I'm just creating object, so obj, which is equal to new object, and here you will create a new object to a new class. So here where you can see that firstly we have the class A, this is a dog one, and here you want to extend slightly a confusion about that. Here you can see that firstly you have to write the class of new where you want to create or where you want to extend this class, and then extend our old class right here and the name of that old class. Okay, now here I just write new, and the new here is I have to write this is dog1. Okay, and this is, here I am just creating the object. Now here you will see that I have to write obj, and the obj which is creating a object to that breed, and then here After that, I am just creating the object to the color as well. Hope so you understand now that how you can create the abstract class and get the values from it, and how you can change and update the values. You can see here. Firstly, that will write a German dog and the color here is black. Hope so you understand now. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.